In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform lookup functions in Google Sheets. Whether you're dealing with long lists of data or aiming to simplify your workflow, lookup functions can be a lifesaver. These functions allow you to search a range of cells for specific data and easily extract information. Let's walk through the steps to get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have a Google Sheet open. If you're not already there, head over to Google Sheets in your browser and open up the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once your sheet is open, direct your attention to cell F2. Clicking on this cell will allow us to begin inputting our first formula. Now that you're in cell F2, type in the formula lookup John A2 A7 D2 D7. Let me break this down for you. The lookup function is structured to search for a key, in this case John, within a specific range, which is A2 A7. Then it returns the corresponding value from another range, D2 D7. This is particularly useful when you want to find an associated piece of information. When you input this formula, make sure the name and cell ranges are accurate to your data. After typing in the formula, simply hit the Enter key. This action will execute the formula, and you should see the result pop up in cell F2. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see the value associated with John from the specified range. Moving on, we're going to use another lookup function in cell F3. Click into cell F3 to start. Here we'll be working with a slightly different formula. XLOOKUP support A2 A7 C2 C7. This formula is structured similarly to the first one, but instead of searching for John, we're looking for support. We're still sourcing from the range A2 A7, but this time we're retrieving information from C2 C7. Again, hit Enter after typing in the formula. This will run the lookup and display the result directly in cell F3. If you see the anticipated value show up, you've done it right. These functions are highly flexible and can be customized to fit your needs by simply altering the search key and the relevant cell ranges. With these steps, you can now use lookup functions in your Google Sheets to streamline your data analysis process, making it more manageable and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, practice is key in mastering these features. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheeting.